Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to continue our Discord bot series using Discord.js. So in the previous video we created a basic Discord bot, and now in this video we are going to create slash command for that bot. So I'll open up Discord. So it will take some time for updating. Till then we will see the code which we have written in the previous video. So we had created an index.js file, and in that file we had put our intents of our bot, and then we have written the ready event, and then we had used the .login function to log in into our bot. So now our Discord is ready. Now I'll go to the YT server, and here we had a bot. So here is the YT bot. So now what I have to do is I have to write a command handler, and in that command handler I have to tell the bot to go into that specific folder and take that command and then execute the following steps. So for that we already have the code. So I'll just go here, and you can see here is index.js file. So in this we are first of all we are requiring two new packages, which is fs and path. So I'll just write here const fs equals to require node fs, and const path equals to require node path. And after that we are creating a commands collection. So I'll just copy this code here and I'll paste it after the ready event. So here what we are creating is we are creating client.commands as a new discord.collection. So in this collection we are going to store all of our commands, all of our slash commands, and then the commands path. So here we will create a new folder called as commands. So in this folder we are going to create the code for our different commands. So we are giving the commands path, and then in commands path you have to go to the command file, and each command file will end with .js extension. So we are running a for loop to get to that command, and after that we are writing interaction create. So whenever we use a slash command, an interaction is created. That's why we are writing this event dot interaction create, and whenever interaction is created, then the bot should go to that specific command and then execute it. So now in the commands folder we are going to store all of our command files, and now we have to write one more file, which is build.js or deploy commands. So when we create a new command, we have to make sure that that command is deployed to our Discord bot. So we have to first run this file, which is deploy commands, and then after that first we have to run the deploy commands file, and then we have to run the index.js file so that we can use those commands. So instead of deploy commands.js, you can just write it as build.js, because deploy command is a big name. Instead of that you can just use build.js, and we'll just copy this code here and I will paste it here. So we are using the roots from discord.js and rest from @discord.js/rest. So we have to install this library. So I'll open up terminal and just type in npm i @discord.js/rest. Okay, I have a spelling mistake. A D is missing. Now it's correct. And when I go to package.json, you can see discord.js/rest is there. And here now we have to again give our bots token, which we get from the developer platform. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it here, and also the client ID. So when you go to Discord, you just right click on your bot and just click on copy user ID and then paste it here. So now our build.js file is also complete. Now go to command and just create a new file called as test.js, and I'll again go to this GitHub repository. You can see there is a test.js file, and I'll just copy this and I'll paste it here. So we are importing the Discord library, then we are writing a module.exports, and then in data we are creating a new slash command builder, and the name of a command is test, and the description of a command is test command, and then after the execute we have to reply the test command with hello world. So for that, if we directly run node index.js, you might think that command is there and we can use it. So if I just type slash test, nothing is there. Now for that, first run the build.js file. So node build.js, now it has successfully registered the application command, and now run the node index.js file, and then again now slash test. So still the command doesn't appear. Then what you have to do is just press Ctrl R, reload your Discord, and then the command will appear. Now I will write dot test slash test. You can see hello world, it's replying with hello world. We can create one more command called as youtube.js, and I'll just copy this code and I'll paste it here, and instead of name test we will give it YouTube, and then replies with YouTube URL, and instead of hello world I'll just write https://www.youtube.com. and if I stop this, and whenever you create a new command or whenever you update a command file, just make sure you first run node build.js and then run the node index.js file. Now I'll go to Discord and slash YouTube. Now still that command is not appearing here. So if it's not appearing, what you have to do is just reload your Discord again and then it will appear. Now slash YouTube, you can see it's replying with the YouTube URL, and you can see the description here is replies with YouTube URL, and here also replies with YouTube URL and then YouTube. So these are the two commands which we have created for our bot. So this is how you create a basic Discord slash command. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you like such kind of content, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.